Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy without tomato and curd. First, begin by heating 2 tablespoons of fat, such as pan drippings from roasted meat, in a saucepan over medium heat. Next, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to the melted fat, whisking continuously to form a smooth paste, known as a roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes until it turns a light golden color, which will add a nutty flavor to your gravy. Once your roux is ready, it's time to build the base of your gravy. Slowly pour in 2 cups of warm broth, like chicken or beef, whisking vigorously to ensure there are no lumps. Continue to whisk as the mixture comes to a gentle simmer. This process allows the flour to fully cook and the gravy to thicken to a beautiful, smooth consistency. Keep stirring until it reaches your desired thickness, usually within 5 to 7 minutes. Now, let's enhance the flavor of your delicious gravy. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. For an extra layer of savory depth, consider adding a dash of Worcestershire sauce. You can also introduce fresh herbs, such as a small sprig of thyme or a bay leaf, during the simmering process to infuse a wonderful aroma. Remember to remove any whole herbs before serving for the best texture. Finally, here are some tips for perfecting your gravy. If your gravy is too thin, simply let it simmer for a few more minutes, or whisk in a slurry made from 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of cold water. If it's too thick, gradually whisk in a small amount of warm broth until it reaches your desired consistency. Always taste and adjust seasonings before serving. For great deals on smart speakers and other helpful kitchen gadgets, check the description below for links and more information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.